Happy holidays, everybody. My name is Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com. Subscribe and like the video. Today we're on the Melco BravoX and we're going to make a holiday sweater. Let's check it out. So this right here is the design that we're stitching out today. We have a 11 by 13 inch magnetic mighty hoop. We have our sweater already hooped up. We have stabilizer at the bottom. Our bobbin is full. I have already measured it to make sure we got good placement. Press the button with me, y'all. Green on green. But let's watch the process. We got this bad boy running on full speed. About to knock out the grain. Laying down an underlay switch in the left foot. Snowflake is done. It's the stop. Some machines start slowing down when it comes to a satin stitch, but that's one thing I love about this machine. Even when it's doing a satin stitch, it slows down slightly, but definitely not as much as some others I've seen. If you look at demos and stuff like that online, you'll be able to tell the difference of how this one keeps its speed up no matter what type of stitch it's doing. If you guys like my work and like what you see and want to learn more, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my page, and share the video. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, you feel me? Keep watching. It looks so good. And if y'all agree, let me know by liking the video. Very, very, very clean. You guys think I should have saved some thread? Because that is 100% filled, but it's the exact same color as the sweater. So maybe I could have just gotten away with just doing the outlines only, but it does add a little bit of shine to the design. What would you guys have done? Filled it in and used up your thread, or just use the black outline on the green hoodie? Working on the lettering. So we're all done with the design. Let's go ahead and take it off. As I seen it stitching, it does look like it came out very well. This right here, I want to say it's officially the largest design that I've made yet. Maybe, because I actually did do another design. Yeah, actually no, this is not the biggest design. However, it is the largest design that I've showed you guys how I make. So there it is. So everything is cut in the back. It's nice and flat, as you guys can see there. Good thing is I ain't got to package this one up because it's local. Oh yeah. Let's see, did I get the spacing correct? Yup. Check it out, y'all. Merry Christmas, guys. If you like my design, go to the website, NeverDenyMe.com. like the video, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video so I can get my subscribers up. Catch you on the next one. Peace.